Welcome to West Hampton. Zeke, say hi. And now we're hopping back on the plane, headed back to DC. It's a nice VFR day. We should be able to get above the clouds. Love clouds. I love West Hampton because of all of the big jets. See you on the plane.
Suffolk County Airport, West Hampton Beach, New York. Automated weather observation 2053 Zulu. Wind 230 at 08. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 29 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 3012. Remarks. Density altitude 1,600.
What's ground here? Ground 218. Oh, give me a ring. Yep, I'm gonna call. Rescue ground, Skylane 14205 at the GA transit area. We're looking for an eastbound VFR departure, or westbound VFR departure.
In 14205, okay, this is Tower, ground point 8 for taxi, sir.
205, sorry, we didn't switch the frequency.
Exit 772, runway 24 via Whiskey, November, Alpha, cross 15 and 19.
Whiskey, November, Alpha.
We're not going to take off 24.
15 and 19 are going to 24, exit 772.
I got a taxi. What's that? I've got the taxi map open here so we can have it if we need it. Rescue ground, Skylane 14205 at the GA transit area. Looking for VFR westbound departure.
Yeah, Skylane 14205, rescue ground, runway 24, correction, runway 19er via Whiskey and cross runway 15. Wind's now 240 at 8, altimeter 3013.
Okay, we'll go to runway 19 and via Whiskey and cross runway 18. 15. Rescue Tower, Skylane 14205, we're ready to take off runway 19.
Skylane 14205, Rescue Tower, runway 19, proceed on course, clear for takeoff.
On course, clear for takeoff 19, 14205. Anton, you ready? I'm gonna get your lights over here. Go. Text Rob, we're taking off right now. To them and said 10 minutes ago, we'll be over your place in 10 minutes. Speed alive, instrument green. 50, 60, rotate. Your flaps. Take it, come up. Flaps up. I'm gonna climb slowly right now until we get it over their house. Affirmative. It's right over here. I'm looking for it. It's right. I see it. Take it 5 degrees right. See if they're outside. Get a photo. Hold this. Got it. There's no one outside. That sucks. Okay, but we have photos. Get on course instead of get us climbing fast. Rescue Tower 14205, is it okay if we switch over to New York approach?
ExitJet 772, turn right heading 360, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Right turn 360, 24 clear for takeoff, ExitJet 772.
And last call unanswered, go ahead.
Skyline 205, we're wondering if I can switch over to New York approach.
205, frequency change approved.
The visual for 24 Alpha Fox, Roger.
6 Alpha Fox, thank you to set and maintain 4,000.
Given 7,000 for 4,000, 616 Alpha Fox.
7 Sierra Foxtrot, turn left heading of 200.
Left to 200, 7 Sierra Foxtrot.
New York, November 3A2 Tango Alpha.
All New York approach for advisories, remain, try me back in about 2 minutes.
Yeah, we'll just wait.
Want to give him a ring now? Tap? Want to give him a ring now?
New York approach, Skyline 14205, 4,800, just, or 15 miles southwest of Gabreski.
On southwest of Gabreski, enabled advisories. 6 Alpha Foxtrot, 12 o'clock, 9 miles.
Oh, I guess we're getting no advisories right now. Okay, yeah.
Looking for the traffic, 616 Alpha Foxtrot.
Just have to make sure we're avoiding the TFR once we get close. Affirmative. This is going to take fully outside of the Charlie anyway. Even though we're above it, but we're above it now. We'll be above the Bravo. We just need...
Number 580, contact New York, 125.7. Have a nice day.
125.7 for 580, thank you.
Try him right now. The call sign, see if he's... Yeah.
New York approach, Skyline 14205.
I'm sorry, say again.
Skyline 14205, about 10 miles south of Iceland.
142, what was the last?
Skyline 14205, we're looking for flight following to Leesburg, Virginia, if possible.
14205, squawk 0305.
0305 for 14205.
Ultimate 610, fly heading 330.
330. Zero keeps eating.
Yeah, double, yeah. It looks good.
14205, your radar contact has reported the Kennedy altimeter 3009er. Say the 3-letter for the destination and the type aircraft, please.
3-letter is Juliet Yankee Oscar, and we're a Cessna 182 slant Golf.
14205, roger, and what's your request altitude?
14205, 8,500.
14205, roger, thank you. Ultimate 610 to set and maintain 2,000.
Oh, we're good. Now we can go into the TFR if we need to.
Speedbird 22 Bravo, we're ready for departure.
Oh, hello, Speedbird.
Speedbird 22 Bravo, heavy roger. Turn right heading 090.
Right, 090, Speedbird 22 Bravo.
Alright, everybody, we're back. We just passed Philly. We just got
33, maintain 5,000.
handed off to Public Approach. Zeke has his foggles on because he's trying to log a little bit of instrument time. It's pretty nice out.
41 Pop,
We should
approach 124.55.
We should be back in DC in about 40 minutes.
Okay.
846,000, southwest 4665.
Computer 4897, set and maintain 7,000.
We need that Bravo clearance in a few minutes. Yeah, we need it in a few minutes. Don't bother him right now, though. Worst comes to worst, we can just descend. Yeah.
Maintain 10,000, southwest 4185.
Number 205, remain outside of Bravo airspace.
Outside of Bravo, 205. 205, we'll descend 3,000.
205, roger.
Hello, Potomac approach, JetBlue 1027,
Make it quick.
Foxtrot.
Yeah, go for it.
1027, fly, heading 260, descend and maintain 11,000, new vector 2 final.
Heading 260, 11,000, JetBlue 1027.
I do vertical speed, 1,000 feet, or 800 feet per minute.
Approach arrow 2178 kilo.
2178 kilo, Potomac.
We can flight level change at 140.
20 to northwest of
What's that? Flight level change at 140.
VFR to Golf Alpha India.
Yeah, you need to call
I got it.
128.7 for that as you get closer to the SFRA.
Thanks.
Okay, we'll make it. The worst comes to worst, we can just skirt it on the right. Yeah.
Approach up 1634.
I mean, we're going to have to go right a little bit no matter what, right? Yeah, we are. Stay outside of this portion of it.
Approach, reduce speed to 210.
Just want to do that. We're slowing. We had 210 at Anthem, Delta 1634.
Friendly 497, flighting 120.
120 for friendly 497.
Cow flaps open here.
No,
I mean, we're going to be cruising again, so I wouldn't.
To maintain 9,000.
Unless our temperature was getting hot, but it's not. Right, so there's a thunderstorm directly over BWI right now.
Center Commander 497. What heading did you want for us? It looks like we got confused there for a minute.
So
Friendly 4897, flighting 120.
controllers weren't able to give us good routing back to Leesburg through the Bravo, so we descended below it, and now we're just skirting around it. I'll put this up on the map right now.
Thanks for your patience, gas ponds got a little busy there, changing operations there, but we'll get right back in.
Full prop? No, full power. Not full, but like, yeah. 25.
Question 33.
25, 23 should be fine.
Traffic's 12 o'clock and actually just about 2 miles east of position westbound at 10,000 number.
Copy that. Down
There we go.
8,000 Southwest 3353.
Number 205, remain on your assigned transponder code at all times and see you land outside Bravo airspace. Crossword turbulence for all the heavies going down final for Dulles. Contact Leesburg Tower 127.5.
Leesburg Tower 127.5 will stand the code to land. 205.
37 heavy descend, maintain 2,000 to 5.
Just tell them we're setting up for a left base for 17. What's our distance though? We're 10 miles out.
And Leesburg Tower, Skyline 14205 with you 10 miles out, setting up for a left base 17.
205, roger, what direction you coming in?
Coming in from east-northeast.
Turn approach runway 17.
What did he say? He said something runway, tell him...
Skyline 205, report a 3 mile final.
Report 3 mile final, Skyline 205.
That's perfect, because that's what perk is. Yeah. We're like, right where we need to be. Okay, gumps check, gear check, cow flaps open. And fuel on, trim is set for whatever we need right now. Mixture full rich, prop all the way in. And flaps will set in a second. Yep, you can go one notch right now if you want. Never good. It's very draggy. I can hear it buffing. It's gonna make the turn for you, so just call final. Yeah.
Skyline 205, runway 17, wind calm, clear to land.
Wind calm, clear land 17, Skyline 205.
You're not on approach though, so you're going to want to start descending almost immediately here. Yep, pulling power. Set the autopilot this guy. I have an approach to fly here, so I'm just going to transition. I'm sorry, you're... No worries. On that side, you've got nothing. Yeah, no automatic. Slow it down just a little bit.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. There we go.
Dead on. Nice and stable. Slight full stall there.
Yeah.
Pull the nose back.
Yeah. We're slowing up, there we go. That is what, 1218 here?
Tell us. Get it for you.
Hey.
79205, taxi to the ramp, remain my frequency.
To the ramp on your frequency, 205.
Idle. Electricals off.
Walking away. Let's see. Flight, Zeke? Great flight. Did you learn anything? No, really. Did you practice? Yeah. Good flight. No thunderstorms, even though there are a couple around us. We flew around a couple, but super uneventful. The controllers are super busy. Besides that, it was pretty great. I don't know how much I'll post of the flight up because the batteries died on these little GoPro things, which kind of sucks. But this one, we got the whole thing. Anyway, thanks for coming along. See you in the next one.